Basically, I think my voice is clear like this. So I have to share this. So I think the idea of today's video is that I'm going to reduce my voice here. Watch this one. The idea of today's video is to make like something HTML like, and the idea of today's video is to make like something. So it's to make a plain project in HTML. Okay. So I have to go to the screen. Okay, very good. I can drag and drop. So I have an idea of making an HTML project. So in that HTML project, I'm thinking of making something like famous quotes of like of certain people. Then I'm going to put their quotes and their pictures in it, and my favorite music that I love, the music that I love. So in that music, I'm just going to put a link to it, and I'm going to host that HTML website that I can send to someone and see that it's basically working. So the thing is just that it's not really that complex because I'm not adding CSS and JavaScript to it. I'm basically adding like something very little, like just right adding something little to it. Yeah. So what I'm doing right now is that, okay. So I need to create a new folder. I just started using this Debian on the Linux, so it's looking a little bit weird to be sure, but we get over it. So I want to create an HTML project folder. So I can drag and drop to this place. I'll actually look myself at my phone right here to see how the stream will look like, yeah. But nothing spoil is okay. So to change the camera area, I just have to tilt my laptop a bit, yeah. So right here, I'm just going to make index.html and start with the project. So index.html, but it's not correct. I didn't type it well, so I have to rename it. Index.html. So right here I have it, and remind me later. So I can also show you the other project I was working on my GitHub. So I just have to drag this here and login GitHub. Yeah. So I was actually working on this several repositories. So I was working on a code generator in Python, but I'm not yet done with it. I'm not yet done with it. I have under this famous.py, I added a lot of codes here. So in this code, there are, like, those codes are all in the list. So I need to figure out how to like separate them with the necessary commands and the necessary syntax. So same as this codes.py. So I need to separate everything. So but the main file is on main.py. So the main file is here, like the main interface. So other the famous.py and the code.py is just like the modules that we are going to import to the main.py. So I just abandoned it for a while. Sha. It's been there for a while. So and I'm going to make something more like, not really like this, but a little bit like with similarity with like this. Sha. So it will have to be in HTML. So I just have to go back to my VS Code. Yeah. So I can just put this down, and go my. So for the name, I can just call the name quotes and sounds or quotes and music, because in the plain HTML that I want to create or something like that, I want to be able to like see famous quotes and like add my favorite music. So the thing is just that the the thing is just that the in the music, when you click on my famous music, like on the music I love so much, the link will have to redirect you to YouTube and check out the music video. So that's how it works. So I have to start with the title of the document. So the title of the document would be no problem with this boss. Quotes, quotes and music. So, and I want to create something like an edit to it. So, I don't know how this will look terrible, but it will look kind of ugly. But let's see how it will look like. Quotes, and let's say quotes and music. So I can just use this outside. Where is the outside? Okay. Quotes, and I can just use the double outside and music. So I can also run this on my live server. So I have to drag this. So this is how it looks like on my live server. When I run it on my live server, this is how it looks like. So I have to go back. It's not really that bad. So it's not really that bad. You have quotes and music, and it's actually okay. So I can just add like a line under it just to show in demarcations. HR, and so I can go live again. have to go live again. Okay, yes. So we have the underline here. So the thing we have to do right now is that I want to list like the quotes and the music, but in those quotes I have to add like pictures and the person that said the quotes. So right now I actually have to look for like quotes I can add. Okay, so say famous quotes. So like I would say famous quotes of all time. Okay, I just have to look for the. Let's start from number one. I can just have like four quotes just to buttress everything. So the first one here I see is you must be the change you wish to see in the world. So by Grandi. So the thing is that when adding the quote, we I want to make it possible for the other person to be able to see the picture of who said the guy or who said that quote, the picture of the person that said the quote. So we are adding the picture of the person who said the quote with the quote buttressing at the bottom side of the person's picture. So on my VS Code, I can just on my VS Code, I can create a folder here. So those folder I'll use it to save all the pictures that I need. So images, I can just call it images. So I can just download the pictures, I will save it here, then I will link it to my index.html. So we have our own code here. We have the code here. So I have to look for the picture of this person. I'll download. Wow, it's not bad. So I just have to pick one picture and save. That save image. No, like I want something very simple. I think this is okay. So I just have to save it in downloads. So I can just call it Grandi. Grandi.jpg. So let me change the partition of where I want to save. I want to save it. I want to save it under desktop, HTML, YT. So images, then save. Okay, so when I check my VS Code, I should have it here. So when I check images, so I have it already in my VS Code already. I have it in my VS Code. Is there already? So we have one image selected already. So I can just add a comment here, which is called. I'm going to start telling the main thing. I'll go to myself. So in his quotes, so I just have is that coming? Let's say let's just type something. So I just have to check for his. So I have to check for his quotes. So copy the quote. Yeah, you have the quote here. I want to just my mic with my mouse. This one is it mouse. So Control plus C Alt. So I just have to paste it here. Control plus V. Yeah, so we have the quote and we have the quote here. So I actually forgot how to add comments in HTML. That's serious. So I'm just okay, like that and like that. So just start with this arrow. Okay, very good. So this will be for ground die. Ground die. So what I have to do here is that option image. So image it should be 100. It should be, let's see, 100. So let's open this with Flag Server and let's see how it's gonna be. Oh, this is how it looks like on the live server. So I think this is way too small. So I have to change the size by 150 by 150, the width 150, the height 150. Then as for the quote, I have to place the quotes underneath the picture, and the best bet is that I can just put the name of the person who said the quotes at the top and put the quotes underneath the name of the person, but we make the quotes in like an italic format. So just have to change back to my VS Code, and we have, okay, I said 150, so I have to change the size to 150, and I also want to change the size to 150. I have the picture right here, so then I can license the name of the person to say I can make this h4 elements. So that should be, what's his name? Atma Granai. So very good. We have the name underneath it. So we have to make the quotes and italic. So I have to highlight all of these. Control plus X then. So try to keep elements and keep them. Then I can place the quote under it. So not bad. So let's say it should be okay by now. So let's go live again. So I think this is very much okay. This is very much okay. So we have the name of the person and we have the quotes in italic format. So that is showing that this is a quote. Like a normal person would know that this is a quote. Because most quotes are in italic format. So the next thing is that I will have to like add like two more pictures of this. Just add two more pictures and add two more pictures. I can add about this thing. This time I can add another one more picture to it. So just making it three. Then you go over to the music aspect. So let's add. Let's check the quotes. So let's see some famous quotes here. Or let me just take some random people like quotes. So let's search for Mother Teresa. No, Mother Teresa. Teresa. We have the picture right here. So I think this is okay. I've seen this picture before. Oh, this is okay. What all I have to do is that I have to save the image. So save the image as this. So I can just say Teresa, 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 Teresa. Just oh Teresa, no page Teresa. But mind you, I'm also saving the same directory as the ground the first picture the first image I saved. So I just have to save this and save. So to confirm, you can see on my VS Code I have the image already. I have the image. So this image is laterally very big, like on the nose is very big. So I have to reduce the size while opening it to Lifesaver. Very big. This is my first stream on this YouTube channel. I'll be streaming on my gaming channel like let's say 2 years ago or a year ago, something like that. So, but this one looks a bit awkward to me, but there's no problem. This is a good start. So I have a message on WhatsApp. Have you checked it out? I'm streaming now. Oh, it's not working. I don't know. Is it working? Just give me confirmation. Okay. Ah, alright. It should be working. It's working. Alright, it's working. So I have the image already. Like I said, I have to reduce the picture size, and so I have to go back to our index.html. So this process is fucked up, but I have to go back to my index.html. And so here you have for ground eye. So I can just write another comment for Teresa. So that should be Teresa. So This section is all about for Teresa. Oh my god, I hate this mouse. So this should be for Teresa, and I have to link the image and size. Image, the SRC should be this. That is the source. So Teresa. So the width can just be 100 by 100. The width and the height can be 100 by 100. Since like naturally the image is like too big. Adding 150 will make it times 2 of the image size. So I just say width should be 150. Width should be 150, 100 rather. Or I can even make it 50 because that 100 really looks very big. Height should be, the height should also be 100. So I can just check it out. Let's see. Maybe the feeling that 100 size is like very big to me, but let's see. Let's go live and let's see. Wow, this is not that bad though. Not that bad. Not that bad. It's okay. It's okay. It's not bad. It's not bad. I was thinking it would be like times 2 of the image size because the first like appearance of the image was like very big. Wow. Not that bad. So for this image, I think I'll just add the quote under it that she said this, but I need to separate this first quote from this second quote to like differentiate that this quote is for this person, this is for this person. So I don't know what I can add in it. Something like quotes, something like something that looks, something like something really simple to add. Or basically I can add like some icons to it to show gap. So for that, let's look for icons for. I was thinking of something we can use to separate. Yeah, I can use hash. I can use like the I said hash. I can use asterisk. So let's just try and use the asterisk sign. So yeah, basically use asterisk. I use that asterisk just to make it a bit. Let's go live again. This is not showing why. Asterisk. So we want to live server again. Yeah, very good. This is not looking very good to me. Yeah, it's okay. Not that bad. So the next one I will have to use the asterisk to, so just same thing. So let's add our quotes. And then the first thing we add a name. So we use the H4 elements. Our name is Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa. Okay. Spread love everywhere you go. Let no one ever come to you without living happier. So I have to copy the quote and Control C. So I have to copy the code. Let's see. So need to open my YouTube on my phone to see how this job is going. It's going well. So we have this. So I need to separate this. So one more picture to add. One more code to add. So let me see how it looks like. A bit not bad. I think I should just clear this line and let's put this here by clearing this line. So let's run it. Yeah, this is okay. This is okay. It's looking good. So one more picture they were done. They will go to the music aspect. We'll go to the music aspect after adding this picture. So I need to go to the quotes. Let's check for quotes. Let's close our tabs. Tabs on music. So whoa. So I like this quote. Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can do that. So we have to look for Martin Luther King. So he's a famous person to like. So I have to say so Martin. So this will be for Martin. This will be for Martin. So this is for Martin. And we need to get his image to image. Then let's go back to the website. So I have to look for Martin Luther. What was his name? Luther King image. Oh, it's a black person. Not bad. So I have to check his image. Let's look for his iconic image. So this is looking iconic. So let's save the image as. See, I just have to save it Martin. This has to be Martin. So this has to be Martin in the same direction as the other images we saved earlier. So I have to go back, save it already, then this. So we have Martin. So for the width, I'll just make it 150 by the width should be like 150. I'll say 150 and the height should be like 150 so that should be 150. So this is better part. Then you have to add this tape H4. So it's Martin Luther King. Martin Luther King Jr. So I need to add the Junior to his name. That is JR. Try to just add full stop to the page. Then it's quotes be there. So I have to copy this and I have to paste it here. So not bad, scroll over. So I will put it in quotes. But seriously, I won't lie. The quotes, I was thinking I was writing Python, so I was putting it in double quote. But on the norms, like quotes will always be in double quotes. Like a certain when you are writing quotes, you have to put it in a quote so that the person reading or observing be like, this person is writing a quote. But if you are writing Python, like when you are writing a sentence or something, you have to put it in a, like when you are writing a string rather, you have to put that string in a quote. So I forgot I was writing HTML, but actually I was writing the code, so it has to be in the string. It has to be, it has to be in those double quotes. So, to go to somewhere, I need to copy this asterisk. I need to copy this asterisk. Control plus C and just use that, like to finalize everything we've done so far. So you are done with the quotes aspect, so I can just check it out and let's see how it works. So let's go live. Oh, it's okay. It's not looking bad. Not looking bad. It's not looking bad. It's not looking bad. This is very good. So it's time for the music aspect. Music. What I have to do is that I will add the music picture and I'll add a link, like the name of the music, the artist, like no, just let me just say the name of the music. So when you click on the name of the music, it will make use of a YouTube reference. Then you'll be able to play the music on your phone or any place you put the link. So the first thing I have to do is like the music. I was listening to this music like a while ago, sha. So let me open my YouTube.com. So so I need to add this. I need to add this music. So
switch to Chrome to help protect yourself from malware. Less worrying, more surfing.
so basically like this. I have to take a picture of this and add it to the code. Then the title of the music will be beneath it, just like the quotes I was writing. But in that for this music, when you click on it, you just get directly here to YouTube and watch the video. But to link it to Spotify, if I want to have Spotify, I can add Spotify to it. But I just got this operating system, but I've not downloaded Spotify yet. So I have to make this. So this music looks very good to me. Yeah, I just like this. So what I have to do here is that we're done with the quotes, so I just have to look for the music picture. So images. The South African music, like all this. What was this? Like the like piano stuff. Oh my gosh, I'm tired of this. I don't know why this is giving me. So, for a music aspect, let's look at this. A child, just a child. So for the music aspect, we just have to call it music section. Music section. Music section. So for the music section, I want to make an H5 element that just says music, but the music I want to place it at the center, and it will be an H5 element. Then let's say H5. Then that shows us music. Let's see music. So for the music, I want to list like the ones I want to put there, but I'll put it in like an another list. Sure. So like listing as music. So let me write a comment that says listing as music. Listing the music. Then say I want to place it in another list. So for the first music will be the key. So the second music will be audiobook. The third music would be, let's say, body moving. Then the first music can be yeah. Then the fifth music can be let's say it's a common person. So the sixth music can be Babylon. Then the seventh music can be Wake Me Up by Debian. Wake me up. So we have the music list, and for the music list, I would like to add so I'll just put hip hop here. That's let's say strong. Let's see. I should be music list. So what am I doing here? So yeah. So I do the wrong track. So what I have to do now, I need to do the pictures and music. So I'll come over this one and this one. So that's a good job. Music. pictures and music. So I have pictures and music. So I need to download the pictures. So let's go to my YouTube. I don't, so let me just screenshot. How to screenshot on. How to screenshot on news. Oh, I need to charge this computer. The battery is going down. Okay. I found out. Okay, very good. So I found a way to screenshot. I just have to go back to this and just go back here and just. So I have to drag it all over here. So I'll just make it here like this and make it like this. I think this is okay, just screenshot like this. Then done. So why is the screenshotting saving to the pictures folder? What I have to do is I have to put the pictures folder. Those files. So all the pictures. Screenshots. Okay, I have the first screenshot right here. So for the first screenshot, I can drag or I can just move to my old desktop issue images. Then select. But I have to relieve it later. So let's go back to YouTube. Search for the best music. Wake me up. So this music is in there.
Wix is your platform to perform on.
Thicker. Oh, if the sky comes falling down, do you still believe in?
Okay, this is what I want to get. So I have to go back to the screenshot and just take pictures. The size. Or let me just screenshot everything first, then I'll move it. Compose PowerPoint. So let's screenshot this. So just take screenshots. good. So for the next music that we talked about, Buga, Buga, and okay, Buga, Buga by is Daniel. So I have to check it. Okay, here it is. So I have to copy the thumbnail. Yes. Just like this. Look, this is and this mouse is shaking. It's shaking. So the next one is yeah. Okay, this solo, so I have to go over here screenshot. So let's select the screenshot, but so the next one is Babylon. Babylon by Patriarchy. So let's go over here. So the next one is body moving. Let's say body moving. Body moving. Body moving. Okay, this is this first one here. So oh, I made a mistake. So let's get back to it. Just click on this and yeah, just position this right. Body movement. So common PC Buga. So we have everything. So let's move everything to this images here. We can just rename them. Let's see. So this is trash. So I could just rename it. To common person. I think that's everything for that. So we should have them complete so the first one I have to include here is I have to include so Becky Buka, so I have to include so it's a link, so I have to do so I have to draw the image which is the key. So the first one I have to do here is you have the image, then I want to add the link. So the link should be the link to the video. So where's the link over here? So here we have the link. You have to put the word link in here. Okay, for the image, I still want to change the size. Which should be 150 by 150. Let's see, it should be 150. The height should be 150. So let's go live. So, oh, yeah, the music here. It looks awful. I need to make the image larger. Let's say 200 by 200. 200 by 200. No, 200 by 150. 200 by 150. And this thing we have to put it like underneath here. So it's awful. So 200 by the width should be 200. No, 200 by 200. Or is there a need for me to put it? Let me just read it like that using the default. So we'll do before this. So you say yeah. Oh, looks good. Yeah, I think this is better than this. This is better than this. So I can. This should like I'm not a professional professional front end person. So I can just make it look like you have to click on this thing. Like you click on this thing to take you to this. So I can just put those two arrows like this arrow, the bow sign, and the greater than sign. So you automatically know that I have to click on this. So I just put like 4 to 3. 3 should be okay. 1 to 3. So Let's check again. Let's go live. So this is like this. This should be like this. So for this music is kind of very small. So I need to enlarge it. Instead of using H5, why don't we use H H3? H3 should be alright. So let's check. Let's go live again. H3, not bad. It's not bad. It's something. It's something we can manage to use too. Okay, so let's add other pictures to it. So next one should be the next one should be Buga. So let's check for Buga. So that should be Buga. So that should be for Buga. So this is for that Buga. I don't think do we even need to change the size or something. But let me check. I need to close all of this. So, yeah.
Will you marry me?
So I want to check body movement.
Switch to Chrome to stay in sync across devices, so your tabs go everywhere you go.
Oh, I think which one is official body movement? That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So then the code looks ugly though. Let's look at something. It's very ugly. So after body moving, we have yeah. So
From idea to submission, empower students to do their best work with Grammarly's generative AI.
Now me with the clean in the house. Now me with the wash in the car. Now me with the cook no no. Now me with the wash in the cloth. Now me with the walk for your shop. Now me with the hug no no. I become a person, but my happiness will still be my own. Everybody get roll, no me say your own bro, pass me my own. I become a person, but my happiness will still be my own. Everybody get roll, no me say your own bro, pass me my own.
Philips presents
So,
Gentle.
Trim, edge and shade more effortlessly than ever with One Blade 360.